it's me. Oh, I'm your favorite French YouTuber today. This wasn't even planned. Alright, so a while ago, I did a mystery box video. And ever since, y'all have been bugging. Do another mystery box video. More mystery box videos, please. Dark web mystery box next. I'm pretty sure all the dark web mystery boxes are fake. So, you know, if you want me to ask someone who knows a guy that knows a guy that knows another guy to get me a dark web mystery box, like this video. I'll see what I can do. But today, in the meantime, I have 2 mystery boxes that I'm gonna be unboxing for you guys today. One of them is a luxury fashion mystery box that I got for $100 on eBay. Come on, Sniper Wolf, $100. I wanna see you throw your whole paycheck on a mystery box. I got bills to pay, okay? So over here, we got this big, ginormous box full of gifts. Big shout out to Poshmark for sending me this mystery luxury box. It's got designer things in it. I don't know what's in it. And I'm going to be giving away almost all of it to you guys on Poshmark for only $3. I can't wait to open these. I am so excited. So if you guys don't know what Poshmark is, it's an app that carries clothes, handbags, shoes, and it is the easiest way to buy and sell your stuff. So when I'm done unboxing everything, I'm going to be listing them on my Poshmark. My store name is Little Lia, the same as my YouTube channel. See, my nails are also a tool. So if you guys want to get these things for super cheap, only $3. Click the link in the description below. Download Poshmark, follow my closet, heart the items that you're interested in, and you'll get a notification when the price drops to $3. And then tomorrow, I'm going to drop the price to $3 so then you could snatch it. Ooh, we got some white Converse right here. Brand new. Yeah, they brand new. They got that brand new stench. You trying to snatch these for $3? Let's go. Next present. Ooh, damn. We got some Louboutins here. We got some red bottoms. Ooh, I can't wait to see this. Haha! Man, who gonna get this for $3? So when you buy from Poshmark, you can trust Poshmark. That is gonna be authentic. What you're getting is gonna be the real deal. When you purchase a luxury item, $500 or more on Poshmark, it's shipped directly to Poshmark HQ for authentication. They got luxury experts. They make sure it's real. They check everything. The tags, logos, materials, hardware, quality, everything to make sure what you're getting is legit. And that's what this card is because it's been authenticated. Bam! Whatever you buy. Ooh, oh my god, these are brand new. These are gorgeous. They are suede. Oh, size 38. If the shoe fits, you know, I could be a dick and keep these for myself. Oh no, they don't fit me, just barely. But look how gorgeous these are. Red bottoms, brand new. Oh, these are gorgeous and I love these and I wish I could keep them, but these are gonna be on my store for $3. So make sure you heart them. And don't forget, with luxury items, you're covered under Posh Protect. So you'll get a full refund. If it's fake, it doesn't match the description completely, you safe. I'm gonna put these back where they belong. These is red bottoms. These is bloody shoes. Oh, this is the biggest one yet. I'm like a kid on Christmas. Man, I just got a new manicure. I'm ruining it. Opening all of these with my nails. What are the? We got a Michael Kors wristlet. Ooh, fancy, beautiful. It's got a butt, you know, for your nights out on the town. But that's not all. Oh, I like this. What is this? Is this Lululemon? It is Lululemon. I knew it just by touching it. I knew this was Lululemon. Oh, I love this. I'm keeping this. I'm keeping this. I'm keeping this. Because I wanted a jacket like this. This is perfect. I had one a few years ago. No, it was more like 5-6 years ago. And I don't know where it went. I think someone stole it from me. Oh, and they have the... I love this. It's snug as a rug and it's mine now. All right, now we are going to check out the eBay mystery box. I've already opened this one. I took a peek at the top. I haven't unfolded everything yet. So the first one, and I'm seeing this for the first time, is this dress. So after I bought the mystery box, they asked me what size I wanted the clothes. And I said a small or extra small. This looks like it's used. I don't know if it's just like old or like, I mean, it has a tag on it. The brand is Privy and it says privately privileged. Privately privileged. I've never heard of this brand, but it's supposed to be luxury. This is actually pretty cute. Like a lace dress. I really love lace. It doesn't smell funky, but if you guys can see this, it's like frayed. It's not showing up. I literally can't see it. It just looks old. Like it has these fuzzies all over the dress. I guess maybe not all over. Oh! I broke it! Hello? Oh, yes, it focused. Okay. I dropped my camera. Ooh, never again. You are safe, my sweet child. Nobody's gonna hurt you anymore. Okay, so let's see what this looks like on. If this even fits on me, because this looks like it's hella small. I don't know if it's like stretchy, because your girl, she got a little too thick. Okay, I'm trying to get this dress on right now, and it does not fit. It does not fit. It does not go up past my butt. It's not working. I tried so hard and got so far. In the end, doesn't even matter, because this dress ain't it. It's not going up. Trust me. You guys gotta trust me on this. It's not going up. Next up, we have this pink. What is this? Like an apron or? Whoa. Okay. Okay. It's a party today. How does this go on? So it's like a spaghetti strap. Oh, but you just tie it. This is literally like an apron. Made in USA. This is size small, medium. What is it so big for? Is the zipper not even in the middle? Oh yeah, it is. Okay. This is a very largely awkward dress. I don't know how it's supposed to work. This looks like a disaster waiting to happen. Let's try it on. Let's do the smell test first. No unpleasant odors, which seems to be a big problem when you order things from eBay. Because it's like, it comes from somebody's household. You don't know if they smoke or have pets or like to take a dump in their living room. Y'all know these things. You don't know their life. You don't know what kind of household it's coming from. It looks new. It was from a sketchy seller, I might add, with zero feedback. Boy! What is going on here? I like the color. I really do. It's very like bubblegum pink, but I mean, this is not a small, or I don't know if it's supposed to fit like this, or it's just a very, very, very ugly dress. I don't like this. I'm taking it off now. There is a blonde hair. There was nobody blonde in, it's more like a fuzzy. No, that's a hair. Someone blonde packaged this. Here we got, what is that, like a one piece? Oh, it's like one of those Fashion Nova looking things. It's got a slit, a hole in the midsection so your tummy can breathe and really feel the air. Cherry Mellow, made in the US of A. This is actually really cute and it feels really nice. It's like that spandexy material. Ooh, she's stretchy. She do yoga? This is really nice. I actually really like this. I hope it fits me. Okay, I don't know if I like this. Make my booty pop. If it does, I like it. I like the feel of it. It feels good. Like, I wish it was just shorts, because I don't like the top part. I don't like this like weird random hole, and it's kind of like a little baggy right here. Man, I gotta get rid of the glasses and the beret. You're going biking. You gotta go biking at 5. Gotta read a book at 6. No, my hair is a mess. It's dirty. You know, 99% of the time that I wear a hat is because my hair is dirty. Here we have another, ooh, nice feeling dress. It's got some buttons on it. It's like a very basic black dress, and I love it. It's basic. It's made of like that nice ribbed material. I don't know about you guys, but I love this material. It's so underrated, and sometimes it's like really cheap. Like cheap places will sell it, but also very expensive brands will sell it. Like I bought a skirt this material for like $20, but I also bought a shirt from 7 Jeans for like $120 that was this material. So I don't know, I feel like cheap brands and expensive brands use this material and it feels just luxurious. Oh my god, this dress is actually perfect. If it just went over my knees like that, it would have been perfect. I don't know what I hit, but this fits like a glove. This material, I'm telling you guys, what is it called? Ribbed. When you buy in clothes, you want something stretchy and comfy, you go for ribbed. Like, ooh, cute. I am living for this. This is adorable. Like, this dress is something I would actually wear, and this makes like the whole box like worth it. My forehead's itchy. Who put lice in my beret? The last one is, oh, another black dress. Oh, I like how most of these things were black. One of them was lacy black, and the pink one was, I don't know what's going on with the pink one. That's a no from me, dog. Oh, this is another nice, very nice feeling, form-fitting dress. Oh, I really hope this goes past the knee, because this actually looks very, very cute. Very nice material. It looks small. It's got a zipper in the back. This material feels really nice. Like, it actually feels expensive. What brand is this? Park Avenue. I don't know. Sounds familiar. Got like a corset thing in the front, which it's not gonna do anything because it's like bigger than the dress. So that doesn't really make sense to me. It's like, here we have the dress and the corset goes way out, which like defeats the purpose of like a corset front type thing. But I like the idea of this dress, and I feel like it could be really cute. Wow, 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 wow. I can't. This is like everything. I love dresses that are like past your knees. This is so gorgeous and perfect. I am living for this. Like the zipper, and it just like holds everything in, but with like a really nice material. Like, this is so classy, so perfect for tea time. I am in love. I am in love with this dress. Let's see if I can snatch it up more. Oh, perfect. This is all like getting 5 stars, man. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you click the link in the description below, download Poshmark, follow my store, and wait for me to drop those prices. If you guys enjoyed this video and want more, make sure you hit that like button in the face. And And make sure you subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.